Good morning, guys. And today, I've been literally trying a new intro. In my last video when I react to Never Call Me Bro, I react to it and I tried doing an intro, but I couldn't. And today I'm gonna be using Viva Bizarro and that stuff. So, yeah, but today, we're gonna do an unboxing. I know. It's surprising. Unboxing. Oh my gosh. And we're going to be unboxing new shoes. New Strawberry shoes. So, yeah. I'll see you guys when we're in the unboxing. But yeah, so let's just get into the video. Okay, so, yeah. Let's go. Yo, what is up? It's Steven Gamer, and today, you know how I like soccer, right? We're going to be unboxing some new cleats. So yeah, let's just get into it. I'm gonna let you guys have a closer view. You guys right there. Okay, so the only thing I don't like about these cleats is that they're CR7s, but I'm okay with that. So let's see. CR7. So that was completely sick. So yeah. So got the foot spinner, you know. But that was lit. These pairs of shoes. Look at them. Nike, man. These are new. But yeah. So that was the unboxing. It's like a mini unboxing. But yeah. But guys, right now, comment down below. Who is your favorite? What is your favorite brand? Adidas or Nike? Comment down below. And whoever gets the most comments, I'll go with that. But yeah, so, and by the way, comment down below if you're a Messi fan or Ronaldo fan. Because like, yeah, why not? So let's put these back in the box. I don't want them getting dirty. But guys, that was unboxing. Put them in the closet. But yeah. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Please make sure you like button down below and comment down below. Hashtag Nike or hashtag Adidas. And then write Y. And also comment down below who's your favorite player, Messi or Ronaldo. And yeah, leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.